Hello and welcome back to our channel Collective Creation and Fun. In today's video, we will be diving deep into the world of AARP Medicare supplement plans. Medicare can be complex, but with AARP's extensive coverage options, you can gain peace of mind and comprehensive healthcare benefits. So let's get started. This is where Medicare supplement plans, also known as Medigap plans, come into play. Before we explore AARP Medicare supplement plans, let's first understand the basics of Medicare. Medicare is a federal health insurance program for people who are 65 years or older or those with certain disabilities. It consists of different parts, including Part A, Part B, Part C, Medicare Advantage, and Part D, prescriptions drug coverage. What are Medicare supplement plans? While Medicare provides essential coverage, it doesn't cover all expenses. This is where Medicare supplement plans, also known as Medigap plans, come into play. These plans are offered by private insurance companies such as AARP to fill the gaps left by original Medicare. AARP offers a range of Medigap plans to suit your specific needs. Benefits of our Medicare supplement plans. Our Medicare supplement plans offer numerous benefits that can help you manage your healthcare costs effectively. Let's explore some of the key advantages. Comprehensive coverage. AARP offers real Medicare plans such as Plan F, Plan G, and Plan N, which cover a wide range of healthcare services, including hospital stays, doctor visits, skilled nursing, facility care, and more. Freedom to choose providers. With AARP Medicare plans, you have the freedom to choose any doctor or hospital that accepts Medicare patients. There are no restrictive network, giving you flexibility in your healthcare decisions. No referral requirements. AARP Medicare supplement plans don't require referrals to see specialists. You have direct access to the healthcare providers you need, saving you time and hassle. Nationwide coverage. AARP's plans offer coverage across the United States, ensuring that you are protected no matter where you travel or reside. Now let's delve into the different AARP Medicare supplement plans and their unique features. Remember, availability may vary depending on your location, so be sure to check the plans offered in your area. Here are some popular AARP plans. Plan F. This comprehensive plan covers almost all out-of-pocket expenses. Including deductibles, co-payments, and coinsurance. However, please note that Plan F is not available to new Medicare beneficiaries starting in 2020. Plan G. Plan G is becoming increasingly popular. It offers similar coverage to Plan F, except for the Part B deductible, which you must pay out of pocket. Plan N. Plan N offers lower premium in exchange for some cost sharing. You will have co-payments for certain services such as doctor visits and emergency room visits. However, it provides robust coverage overall. Thanks for watching.